How to sign up for dropshipping for AliExpress. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily sign up for a dropshipping for AliExpress. First thing you have to do is you need to have an AliExpress account. If you haven't already, make sure to create an account. So I've already done that here. The next step is to access your web browser. Go ahead and open up your web browser and search for AliExpress affiliates, or simply search for ds.aliexpress.com. Uh, so just search for this and hit enter. What it does is it will get you to the dropshipping center for AliExpress where you can register. And once you've created your account on there, you can choose an e-commerce platform such as Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, or others. Shopify is the most popular due to its user-friendly interface and integration with dropshipping apps. So you can search for hot selling products here. Then you can find your orders section. So let's just go ahead and tap on any one of them. And once you get to the product, tap on add to cart, select your product, and then tap on view cart. Once you view your cart here, you should get an option something like other channels cart. And if you see an option something called Dropshipping Center or Booster Program, just tap on it to activate it. And it will help you find trending products, analyze sales data, and filter by shipping options or ratings. And once you've done that, you can just check out of your item and go back to the option for dropshipping AliExpress, and you should be able to sign up for a new account here. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.